guys, welcome back to my channel. Mel is the favorite girl stainless. In today's episode, I'm going to show you simple remedies that you're going to use whenever you're done with your man. It's very beneficial for ladies and also men because it has many duties. But when you want to flush some infections, it flushes minor infections like yeast infection. This is basically to wash out any sperm that has gone inside. Maybe after you're done with your man, when you're done with your man and you want that sperm to be weak, you take this. Just this doesn't have any side effect. It's just natural and it's very effective and very essential for ladies, especially when you're on your period. Make use of this recipe. It makes period flush very well. It will flow very well and wash out every bad blood in your body. So let's go to the kitchen. So welcome into my kitchen. Okay, now the first item is cloves. Cloves is very medicinal, and if you go through my page, through my previous videos, you'll see where I've made videos using cloves for different remedies for different works. So and this recipe, cloves, is very essential. Here is my garlic. I have to peel the garlic and get it ready for the recipe. And you know that garlic is very medicinal, it's very beneficial, it's very nice in the body for cooking and other remedies. So you know that garlic also cures infection, yeast infection used by ladies. You know we use this to cure yeast infection. So joining this in my recipe is gonna be very effective, very effective in curing infection and the other way around. Here is my ginger. Ginger is we all know that ginger is very medicinal. It's very good in the body, and it has many duties, it has many functions in the body. Depends how you prepare it and how you want it to work in your body. So adding it to this recipe is gonna be almighty lemon. So lemon, making this recipe in aspect of flushing out sperm and curing infection, lemon is very essential. You know, lemon is very essential, very medicinal, extremely medicinal. So I have to join my lemon for it to be super cool. Here is my lime. Lime is it's just a baby brother to lemon. So having your lemon and lime together in this recipe, you know what that means. So lime is used for different things. So joining this is going to have a nice working together with other things to make this recipe very cool. I'm gonna add a little clove on top of my already prepared recipe. So this is what it looks like. And here is my gin. This is the gin I have in the country I am. This is the white gin in vodka. So I have to pour this inside this bottle filled with this item. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So guys, this is the third day. This is how it looks like on the third day. Okay, you can see the color has changed from the bright color to this color. So this is what it looks like, okay, after 5 days. If you watch closely, I added Lipton. So you can add Lipton if you want to add Lipton because it also reduces fat. Yes, it burns fat. This recipe also burns fat. So if you want to reduce your weight, also you can add Lipton. But if you don't want, you can leave it. Forget about it. So you can see the color has changed. It's ready to drink. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all.